What's going on, animals? Animal here for you. So, I've heard a lot about this band Sleep Token. I've never listened to them. I know they kind of wear masks or something like that. And from my understanding, they have numbers. Because I've heard the drummer's, I don't know, I want to say he's number 2 or number 6 or something like that. But they're super popular. I've heard a glimpse of the dude singing. So I don't think it's like hard. From what I understand, it's just like, I don't know. I think it's like rock music. But when you have 1.2 million subscribers and your freaking video has like 34 million views, this is 2 years ago. Taking it back to Eden. I don't know. I just thought I need to check these guys out. I'm sure there's plenty of fans out there, obviously, with that many. So you let me know what this band is all about. Like, what's their niche? What's their thing? So let's check this out. This is Take Me Back to Eden. Let's go.
I dream in phosphorescence, bleed through spaces, see you drifting past the fall, but no one told you where to go. We dive through crystal waters, perfect oceans, but no one told me not to breathe. And now the weightlessness recedes. Mama, those eyes like fire. I'm a winged insect. You're a funeral pyre. Come now, bite through these wires. I'm a working hell, and the gods grow tired. Reset my patient violence along both lines of a pathway higher. Grow back your sharpest teeth. You know my desire. I will travel far beyond the path of reason. Take me back to Eden. Take me back to Eden.
Guy has great vocals, right? He's got very good control. He's got great vibrato. Obviously, it's just starting to get heavy, but I'm just looking at this statue, and then I'm trying to listen to the lyrics. I was thinking about stopping and putting the closed caption on. Like, maybe we'll do that now. I'm not the best at this techie crap, but it's not even an option. Okay. But check out this statue, right? So angel wings, but all these feathers are jacked up, right? They all have little notches out of them. You've got a sickle. You've got what looks to me like an apple in the hand of this angel. And the song is called Take Me Back to Eden. So my first impression is this is a fallen angel because the feathers are jacked up, because it's got a sickle, which a sickle, usually represents the Grim Reaper, death. And then the apple, which was in the Garden of Eden, that's what kind of started the whole thing. So kind of an interesting look. So I'm going to back it up a little bit when this thing got heavy, and let's see what's happened. Let's see where this is going to go. Can't even talk. Nice high.
Well, yeah, I spit blood when I wake up. Sink porcelain stain,
I was not
choking up
expecting
brain
that.
matter and makeup. Just 2 days since the mainframe went down and I'm still messed up. Room feels like a meat freezer, I dangling like cold cuts. Missed calls, answer phones from people I just don't trust.
That's a
Nerds
creepy
up,
design,
fake love,
though.
but I'll take a pound of your flesh before you take a piece of my pay stub.
That's a fallen
White
angel.
roses, black
To me, that's what that
doves,
is.
cover the rise up. I need you to see me for what
Looks
I
like a spider in the back of that circle.
my mind, those eyes like fire. I'm a winged insect, you're a funeral pyre. Come now, bite through these wires. I'm a waking hell and the gods grow tired. Reset my patient violence along both lines of a pathway higher. Grow back your sharpest teeth, you know my desire. I guess it goes to show, does it not, that we've no idea what we've got until we lose it. And no amount of love will keep it around if we don't choose it.
Very true.
And I don't know what's got its teeth in me, but I'm about
Spread it out.
to bite back in anger.
It's just getting uglier.
No amount of self-absorbed fury will bring back the glory of innocence. My mind, those eyes
I didn't think that was actually. Wait, hold up. I didn't think that was going to happen. I didn't think that was going to happen ever. Can we just talk about this statue again? She's got gold shoulder armor. The sickle seems to be gold. Like, to me, this is 100% a fallen angel. This is an angel that used to be beautiful and now is ragged, and the bottom roots have taken over this whole screen, basically. All the black is everywhere. And she probably used to be this beautiful angel and now is this ragged demon. I don't know. That's the best way I could say it. But let's get back to this dude's vocals, because I didn't think he was going harsh. Not surprising. Look at the statue. That's cool music. Oh, it's gonna fade out. Okay. Ooh, that double bass right there in there. Okay. Is that how they sound all the time? Do they do a bunch of cleans and then they throw in some aggressives sometimes? You guys have to let me know in the comment. I'm like so drawn to that statue because I'm a Christian, and you know, the Garden of Eden, even if you're not, you understand the Garden of Eden is Adam and Eve, and this is when the whole creation started. But there's this old hardcore band, Christian hardcore band back in the day called Focus, and they have this one line that I've never forgotten, and it says, "Darkness is not the opposite of light, it's the absence of it." So when something turns black, to me, when something turns black like that, it's not the opposite of white, it's the absence of everything. So that angel, this is me perceiving this video, right, of how this song goes. This angel was beautiful at one point and wants to go back to Eden because Eden was absolutely perfect. The Bible says Eden was perfect. And Adam and Eve jacked it up for all of us, so we can blame them. But if this angel, before he was fallen, was this perfect angel, and he wants to go back to Eden, or his Eden was heaven, then he's seeing the darkness taken over. And you saw that statue like evolve, which was a great visual. It was a great visual. It was just, it literally had me enthralled for a music video that had nothing else going on except for this statue just being there. And then, of course, the animation towards the end. But overall listening, like the guy has an amazing voice. The musicianship seems pretty solid. Like, that was a comfortable, laid back, I just want to listen to some rock, some melodic, I don't want to say easy rock because it's not easy rock, but it's very pleasing to the ear, right? It's a wall of sound, and you could just like sit in a chair and just, you know, listen to that. And then it kicks you with the harsh vocals at the end, which was a nice change. It was a very nice change. So anyways, thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for all your support. Thank you for hitting the subscribes and the notifications, hitting all the things that YouTube says we got to hit. And I appreciate you guys passing me on and giving me options and giving me new content to listen to, new bands. Sometimes I just do this where I just click on the music tab and I go, what's something I don't know? And sometimes it's literally a thumbnail that grabs me, and sometimes it's a band like Sleep Token that I know is super popular, but I've never listened to them before. So if there's another song that you guys think I should listen to that's better than that one, or something that I might just enjoy, you got to let me know on this. So live loud, lift heavy, burn slow. This is Animal.